Kings of War, Shadows of the North. 2-player starter set from Mantic Games. 2 sets here, Northern Alliance, Night Stalkers. Alright, let's open up this bad boy. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. Like so. And here you go. Here's how it's laid out when you open it for the first time. So you have your getting started book here. Let's see. As you have a soft back of Kings of War 3rd edition as well. What's in the book? This book contains all the information you need to muster your soldiers and march them to war. The rules sections explains how to play the game, covering everything you need to know about moving, shooting, combat and casting spells. The army list section introduces 14 different armies, detailing options they can have available from infantry, cavalry, heroes, war engines and monsters. So Mantic is 10 years. Hey! And oh, it's a good smell. It smells like a Magic the Gathering card. It's a good. It tells me that they have used a lot of good inks and stuff like that for the colors. I'm just going to flip through it so you can see how it looks. The layouts are good and nice. Good fonts, good pictures. Ooh, nice colors. Yeah. And we are not going to go deep into the rules or anything like that. Multi-basing, scenic basing, movement trace. So different ways you can use your units. Oh, look at the giant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is the rulebook, how it looks. Kings of War, quick start, introduction, assembling armies, assembling guide. And here you have for assembling hard plastic miniatures to assemble PVC plastic miniatures. Here it tells you how to set up your miniatures so they will rank and file when you are building them. So you have to put in mind how they are assembled. And here it tells you how to warp weapons, how you can reshape them. So already here is a good value inside. And here is a hint on how you can paint your miniatures. So yeah, this book is really good for a beginner of the hobby as well. This tells you a lot of things you need to know. So we're going to dip into this book and try to make a little tutorial on the things as well, I think. So awesome miniatures. All right, so and here you have armies for Pantheon. And okay, so here you have a lot of bases for your miniatures. So you can use either side. I'm guessing a lot of the sides are going to be that side, and then you can stick magnets or something on this side and use magnets for your miniatures. That's really nice. And these are what's in the box. It's filled to the rim with a lot of miniatures, and we are going to look at them in more detail in the next video. I'm going to just recap a little bit. So this is what you get, and you can make either or of the clansmen, stuff like that. There are 44 miniatures in here, and contains 44 Night Stalkers and 44 Northern Alliance. And you can mix and match a little bit how the different clansmen and stuff like that are. And yeah, that is the starter set. Really nice. I really like it. Alright, so this is just a little look. Hope you like it. Comments and stuff like that down below if you want to see more Kings of War 3rd edition from me. Alright, thank you. Bye now.